He's like 2 hours walking all over. Oh, he have a broken leg. Oh, baby. Oh. Ay, keep coming. Keep coming. What can I do to ask for that dog?
Huh?
If you guys don't get him adopted, I'll adopt him.
Well, you gotta come down to the dog pound and get your name on a list.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, like 2 hours. I got videos. Everyone knows that's a one-way. You almost hit that dog. You almost hit that dog. That's why the cats and dogs get hit by cars, because this is a one-way. And I'm recording. The people coming one way, and that's why they kill the animals. And then because I was recording that, now she's sorry.
Make it look so easy. You freaking got that dog in 1 second. Come here.
I'm not a police officer.
Yeah, no, you gotta be careful on this road. Yeah. People come flying down this road. You'll get
Yeah,
killed.
that's why they hit the dogs and the cats here, because this is a one-way.
Yeah. Huh? So there was a little dog running around.